Hello, my friends. I'm so happy to be with you today. And I am excited to share with you this new nursery rhyme. We are going to use our thumbs today. Yes, our thumbs. And they are going to become two little blackbirds. Okay? Yes, I'm sure you found the blackbirds. Just like this one. And this one, two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. Okay, let's start. Two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. One named Fast, one named Slow. Come back fast. Woo. Come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. One named Quiet and one named Loud. Bye-bye, Quiet. Bye-bye, Loud. Come back, Quiet. Come back, Loud. Two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. One named Angry and one named Happy. Bye-bye, Angry. Bye-bye, Happy. Come back, Angry. Come back, Happy. Good job, guys. You did a great job. Now these two little blackbirds are going to sing. See you next time. Bye-bye.